Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable power on and off sounds on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down, then tap on audio and visual. Now scroll down and tap on power on and off sounds. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. This will allow you to play sound when iPhone is powered on and off. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if I switch off my device, it will play a sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.